Hi everyone, welcome back to the Frugal Watch Box Channel. Today, we're excited to unveil the incredibly affordable Skmei 1412, a budget-friendly alternative to the Casio W59. Priced at just $5, not including shipping, this watch offers a cost-effective option for watch enthusiasts. This package, shipped from China, includes 2 additional watches that will reveal in due course. The watches arrived without boxes, just basic bubble wrapping, but fortunately, they're in good condition. Let's begin with the Skmei 1412, which boasts a 50-meter water resistance. This feature seems to be Skmei's nod to the iconic Casio W59, which also offers the same level of water resistance. The watch appears undamaged and is well protected within its plastic enclosure. Let's remove it from the plastic and examine it more closely. First, let's review the documentation. As expected, the manual is minimalistic, just a single sheet of paper, compared to the comprehensive manual provided with Casio watches. However, for a $5 watch, this is what you might anticipate. The manual covers features, operation instructions, and settings for the time, daily alarm, and chronograph. The reverse side is in Chinese. Now, let's examine the watch itself. We'll first remove the familiar watch tag, which features only the Skmei logo and no additional information. The design of the Skmei 1412 is quite similar to the Casio F91W, but it includes an upgrade to 50 meters of water resistance, unlike the Casio F91W, which has only 30 meters. Essentially, the 1412 adopts the design of the F91W while offering water resistance comparable to that of the Casio W59. The case is made of hard resin, similar to the Casio F91W and W59. As you can see, the design resembles the F91W more closely than the W59, though all share a similar color scheme: blue, red, white, and either gold or yellow for the alarm chronograph imprint. We will compare it to the Casio F91W and the more expensive Casio W59 in a dedicated video later. Let's check the watch's dimensions. Case size: approximately 35 millimeters. Lug-to-lug distance: about 38 millimeters. Thickness: around 9 millimeters. Lug width: 18 millimeters, matching the F91W and W59. Weight: a mere 20 grams. The case is made from ABS material as claimed by Skmei. The band is constructed from PU, while the crystal is resin. Let's remove the protective sticker from the caseback. Similar to the F91W and W59, the caseback is secured with 4 screws. The watch features a single button on the right side to toggle the alarm and switch between 12-hour and 24-hour formats. On the left, 2 buttons control the light and mode functions. The prominent Skmei logo is positioned at the top of the panel, with Water 50M Resist at the bottom. Just below the Skmei logo on the right, you'll find Alarm Chronograph imprinted in gold. The display panel includes the date, day, and small indicators for alarms and AM/PM settings. These indicators will vary depending on your watch settings. Below that, you'll find larger digits for the hour, minute, and second. The Skmei 1412 offers features such as timekeeping, a chronograph, an alarm, date display, day of the week, an EL backlight, and 12/24-hour format options. The sound quality, including the alarm, is comparable to that of the Casio F91W or W59. PU band feels sturdy, similar to Casio bands, though only time will tell about its durability. The band also includes an arrow indicator to guide the removal of the lug pin. The black buckle appears durable, though it lacks the Skmei logo. The stainless steel caseback includes standard imprints, the Skmei logo, a water resistance rating of 5 ATM, model number, and battery code. The EL backlight is quite effective, emitting a clear, bluish color that's helpful in complete darkness. In a future video, we'll compare the design of the Skmei 1412 with the Casio F91W. On the wrist, the 35mm case is well suited to my 6.5-inch wrist. The Skmei 1412 is a solid choice for anyone looking for a durable and functional digital watch at a low price point. With its 50-meter water resistance, it's well suited for everyday wear, sports, and outdoor activities. While it may not have the brand prestige or advanced features of more expensive models, it offers great value for the money. That concludes today's video. If you're interested in purchasing this watch, please check the links in the video description. If you found this review helpful, consider subscribing and giving us a thumbs up. Goodbye for now, and we'll see you in the next video.